how to manage X-frame options, header settings on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First, open your browser and then click settings and scroll down until you find here security and privacy, and if you can't find it here, just type here privacy and click on it. Now scroll down until you find this one, X-frame options header, and here you can manage anything you want, and then click save. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. I hope that can help you, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.